limited. Defunct. Ultra rare.
Hats and caps unboxings. And today we have a LMB hat, Mexico Professional Baseball. It's the Professional Mexican Baseball League is the LMB and the LMP. LMB is the Summer League, and that's what we have in today. And this is a absolute beauty of a cap. And let's take a look at what we have in today. There it is. Tijuana Toros De Tijuana, Mexican League, Mexico, Tijuana, Mexico. And that is the cap. This is a beautiful design. You're going to see, I'm going to show you the reflectiveness on this cap. This is a reflection cap, reflective, like a 3M material. Let's take a little bit of a close-up of the TJ, Toros, Tijuana. They've had some success in the LMB League. Here's the brim. See that gray material with the black, the gray specks, that's all reflective. You're going to see in this video at the end the reflection, so stay tuned for that. Love that pink outline, it's beauty. And pink topper, side shot. See that reflection toward that pink New Era insignia, that line, or their logo I should say. You can see it, that's all reflective. And the cap, there it is, that's an LMB. Nice logo. QV. You don't see that too often. Look at the color contrast on this is, I think it's beautiful. Might not be for the, honestly, if you if you don't like pink, this is not for you. But if you kind of like offbeat colors or different color combinations, this cap is for you. So this is a polyester, LMB or Domex 7 1/4 we're working with. And you got that. Guts of the cap, $59.50. This is brought to you by Famous Thinking. Hats.famousthinking.com, sneakers.famousthinking.com. You can buy LMB hats over there. Everything in the description. Famous Thinking, sneakers or hats.famousthinking.com. Again, in the description, LMB hats for sale there. And hard to find ones. So what do you think? Like it or love it? Hate it, dislike it? Personally, I think it's a beauty. But it's up to you. Do you enjoy this cap? Would you wear it? It's not for everyone, I can tell you that much, because there's a lot going on, but this is definitely different. When do you ever see a ball cap like this? LMB hats are special, they do have different type of designs, more different than I'd say MLB designs. And they're a little bit more creative. So thank you for watching. The reflective part of the video is about to play right after this. Subscribe if you enjoy the content. Toros De Tijuana, Mexico. LMB hat. We'll catch you in the next one. Have yourself a beautiful day, everybody.